Greetings. I am Diana Estanis Green, founder of Green Carbon Queen, and I'm honored and excited to welcome you into our Green Carbon Queen online culinary course, Plentifuled. Our goal here is to share tips and knowledge on healthy ways to nourish your temple without the complication of getting into a physical cooking class. You will learn at your own pace at home. And in the understanding of that, we created this curriculum that speaks to everybody at home, from children to grandparents. Knowledge is power. Be ready to empty your pantry, recalibrate your shopping cart, and realign yourself with the original nutrition. Fresh, plant-based food. Get acquainted with new vegetables and let your taste bud lead the way. We facilitate you in your home to build those recipes and share it with your loved ones. That is the generational blessings we want to pass on. So indulge. Get ready for a wonderful, wonderful journey with me, live in the comfort of your home, with your families and friends and all the loved ones you believe will benefit from a wave of plant-based knowledge, but most importantly, creative time in the kitchen lab. Welcome to Plantifueled Culinary Online Courses, brought to you by yours truly.